Can we check message requests on Snapchat without being friends? Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're trying to do that, let's find out in this video. So for that, you can go ahead and open up your Snapchat first on your screen, tap on it, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. So from here, let's head over to the chats, tap on it, and then when you head over to chats, you will be finding this interface. So here in this section, you can find all unread group, unreplied calls, and different options. But if you're looking for message request, you cannot directly view message requests from non-friends on Snapchat without accepting their friend request first. So the only way is if someone is already friend with you, they can go ahead and share chats with you and go ahead and share snaps with you and maintain streaks on Snapchat. So that is only the way for now. If you're looking for message request options, unfortunately we do not have that on Snapchat yet. So that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful, informative to you. So thank you for watching this video and we will see you on the next one.